Hello and welcome to the British Columbia Real Estate Association's housing market update for September 2021. The provincial housing market continued to normalize back to long-run trends in August. The province recorded 9,507 units, down slightly from July on a seasonally adjusted basis. On a year-over-year basis, total unit sales were down 7.1% compared to a near-record August in 2020. The inventory of homes for sale reached its lowest point on record on a seasonally adjusted basis, or more than 40% below normal for the month of August. Total active residential listings were down 38% year over year and fell for a fourth consecutive month on a seasonally adjusted basis. More or less normal sales activity was met with historically low active listings in August, which resulted in continued market tightness. The provincial sales to active listings ratio remains elevated at over 40%, with markets like Victoria, Chilliwack, and the Fraser Valley at extreme levels. However, there may be considerable variation across markets, so contact your local realtor to identify market conditions in your area. The MLS average price for the province was up 17.2% year over year, with many prices in larger markets starting to flatten out after a year of very strong increases. The provincial average price now sits at $901,000. The MLS Home Price Composite Index, which measures the price of a typical home and is not susceptible to changes in the product mix of sales, continued to post outsized year-over-year gains in August. The HPI showed an increase of 13.2% on a year-over-year basis in Greater Vancouver, and was up 23.7% in the Fraser Valley, 19.8% in Victoria, 31.7% in the Vancouver Island Board area, 29.1% in the Okanagan Valley, and 31.3% in Chilliwack. Now let's take a look at market conditions around the province.